you ready to make some yum yums? Yeah? Okay, you know what we gotta start off with? We need just a cup of yogurt. Buddy, wait! Cup of yogurt. Good boy. And we're going light because you're looking chunky. There you go. We're gonna put that in the bowl. Some blueberries. Strawberries. And we stir that around. No, wait. Clean yourself up. Good boy. Smooth it out. Okay, we're gonna pop it in the freezer now for 4 hours. Look at these. Okay, here's your yum yum. Was that good, buddy? Yeah? Do you want another one?